the doctor. Stomach pain. Anna Smith?
Yes, that is me.
Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
What seems to be the problem today?
I have a stomach ache.
I see. When did it start?
It started yesterday evening.
Is the pain strong?
Yes, it is quite strong.
Is the pain constant, or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Did you eat anything unusual yesterday?
I ate at a new restaurant.
What did you eat?
I had chicken and rice.
Did anyone else feel sick after the meal?
No, my friend feels fine.
Okay, let me check your stomach.
Okay.
Does it hurt here?
Yes, a little.
And here?
Yes, that hurts more.
I understand.
Is it serious?
I don't think so.
That is good to hear.
It may be a stomach infection.
What should I do?
I will give you some medicine.
Okay.
You should drink a lot of water.
All right.
And eat light food today.
Like soup?
Yes, soup is good.
When should I feel better?
In 1 or 2 days.
And if the pain continues?
Then please come back.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
At the doctor. Chest pain. Hello. Are you Michael Brown?
Yes, that is me.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. Please come in.
Good morning.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Tell me, what is the problem today?
I have pain in my chest.
When did you first notice the pain?
2 days ago.
Does the pain stay all the time?
No, it comes and goes.
Is the pain strong?
Sometimes it is strong, sometimes it is light.
Do you feel the pain right now?
A little.
Do you feel short of breath?
No.
Do you feel tired these days?
Yes, very tired.
Tell me about your work. Is it stressful?
Yes, my job is very stressful.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in sales.
Do you work many hours?
Yes, I often work late.
And how do you sleep?
Not very well.
Do you drink coffee during the day?
Yes, I drink a lot of coffee.
I see.
Is something wrong with my heart?
I don't think it is a heart problem.
That is good to hear.
The pain may come from stress and tiredness.
Really?
Yes, stress can cause chest pain.
I did not know that.
Your body needs rest.
What should I do?
Try to sleep more and drink less coffee.
Okay.
It may also help if you take a few days off.
A few days off?
Yes, rest at home and relax.
That sounds like a good idea.
It can help your body recover.
Thank you for the advice.
If the pain gets worse, please come back.
I will.
Take care, Mr. Brown.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome.
In a shop, buying a rain jacket. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes, please. I'm looking for a rain jacket.
Of course. Is it for hiking?
Yes, I'm going to the mountains this weekend.
Nice. A rain jacket is a good idea.
Yes, the weather can change quickly.
That's true.
I'm looking for a dark green one.
Let me check.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we don't have dark green today.
Oh, really?
Yes, we sold the last one yesterday.
That's a shame.
But we have other colors.
What colors do you have?
We have black, blue, and gray. Would you like to see them?
Yes, please.
Here is the black one.
Oh, that looks nice.
And this one is blue.
The blue one is nice too.
This is the gray one.
I think I like the black one best.
Good choice. It's very popular.
Can I try it on?
Of course. What size do you need?
I usually wear medium.
Okay, here is size M.
Thank you.
It feels comfortable. It's also waterproof.
That's important.
And it's very light.
Yes, I like it.
The hood is also adjustable.
That's good for the rain.
Exactly.
How much is it?
It's 60 pounds.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
Great. Please come to the counter.
I will pay by card.
No problem. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a great trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
In a shop. Buying a backpack. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes, please. I'm looking for a backpack.
Of course. Is it for work or travel?
For travel. I'm going to the mountains with friends.
That sounds nice. When is the trip?
This weekend.
Great. How many days?
2 days.
Okay.
I need a big backpack.
No problem. I can show you some large ones.
Great, thank you.
This one is very popular.
It looks good.
It's strong and comfortable.
Can I try it?
Of course.
It feels nice.
The straps are soft.
Yes, they are comfortable.
It also has many pockets.
That's good. I need space for food and clothes.
There is also a pocket for a water bottle.
Oh, that's very useful.
And this part is waterproof.
That's perfect for the mountains.
Exactly. Do you like the color?
Yes, I like this one.
It's also available in blue and green.
I think I prefer black.
Good choice.
How much is it?
It's 45 pounds.
That's okay.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, please.
Great. Please come to the counter.
Okay.
How would you like to pay?
By card.
All right.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Walking in the mountains. I'm really happy we came here.
Me too. It's beautiful.
The views are amazing.
Yes, they really are.
Look at those mountains.
Wow, they are beautiful.
I'm glad we finally did this trip.
Yes, me too. I wanted this for a long time.
How long have we been walking?
I think about 2 hours.
Really? Time goes fast.
Yes, it does.
Maybe we should get something to drink.
That's a great idea.
It's very hot today.
Yes, it's really warm.
Maybe we can find some iced tea.
I would love an iced tea.
Or maybe a cold lemonade.
That sounds good too.
Do you see a cafe anywhere?
I think there is one near the lake.
That's perfect.
I'm glad we came this week.
Yes, me too. Last week it rained all the time.
I know. I even bought a rain jacket.
Really?
Yes, but I don't need it today.
The weather is perfect.
Yes, sunny and warm.
Perfect for a walk.
Exactly.
What do you want to do this evening?
Maybe we can go to a restaurant.
Good idea.
I saw a nice place in the village.
What kind of food?
Local food and seafood.
That sounds great.
And maybe we can watch the sunset.
I would love that.
Me too.
First, let's find that cafe.
Yes, I really need a drink.
Me too.
Breakfast at the hotel. Good morning.
Good morning. Room number, please?
Room 214.
Thank you.
What do you have for breakfast today?
We have eggs, bread, cheese, and fruit.
Oh, nice.
We also have cereal and yogurt.
That sounds good.
And we have pancakes today.
Really? I love pancakes. Do you have coffee?
Yes, coffee is over there.
And tea?
Yes, next to the coffee.
Great. What time does breakfast finish?
Breakfast finishes at 10:30.
Okay, good to know. And what time does lunch start?
Lunch starts at 12:30.
Is lunch also here?
Yes, in the same restaurant.
Is it buffet, too?
Yes, lunch is also buffet.
Nice.
Please help yourself.
Thank you. Where can I sit?
You can sit anywhere.
The table by the window looks nice.
Yes, that's a good table.
Great. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.